the periodic table will fill with a lot of surprises that when you study the chemical symbols and atomic numbers and whatever, you'll be more interested in learning more about the periodic table of elements. It's a treasure chest of mystery. For example, Superman, capital SUPERMAN. Now, as you can see here, I took away the A for man, MAN, because if you take away the A, you still have the MN, which is man, Superman. Okay, so Superman is capital SUPERMN. Okay, now if you look at your periodic table of elements, you're going to see that you're going to find this written down. Superman was born in Krypton. Clark is Superman. Superman hates kryptonite. Luthor hates Superman. Luthor has kryptonite. All this you'll find in the periodic table of elements. Here, I rewrote everything again, and how you would see it in a periodic table of elements. This is how you would see it. It's the same sentence. One more time. Superman was born in Krypton. Clark is Superman. Superman hates kryptonite. Luthor hates Superman. Luthor has kryptonite. Now, we're going to rewrite it. Here you go right here. This is how you write it. You got the capital S for Superman. You got the capital U for uranium. You got capital P for phosphorus. You got the capital E and a small r for erbium. And you got the capital N and a small n for manganese. And if you can see Superman, I took away the A so I can fit it in to the periodic table of elements. So it's going to be MAN is now MN. Okay? Was tungsten. Capital W for tungsten is 74. Capital A and a small s is for arsenic, which is 33. Capital B, 5, is for boron. Capital O is for oxygen. Capital R and a small n is for radon. Capital I and a small n for in is for indium, which is 48. Capital K and R in kryptonite and Krypton, Krypton, the planet Krypton. Capital K and a small r, that's 36 for Krypton, for Krypton, and capital Y is for yttrium, which is 39. Capital P and a small t is for platinum. Platinum is 78. Capital O is for oxygen, that's 8. Capital N is for nitrogen, and that's 7 atomic number. Okay, so Superman was born in Krypton. And then you have Clark is Superman. So you got capital C and a small l for chlorine, that's 17. Capital A and a small r for argon, that's 18. Capital K is for potassium, that's 19. Then you got is. Capital I is for iodine, that's 53. Capital S is for sulfur, that's 16, is. And you got Superman again, which is sulfur. S is for sulfur. U is for, capital U is for uranium. Capital P is for phosphorus. Capital E and a small r is for erbium. Capital M and a small n, 25 atomic number, is for manganese. Then we got Superman hates kryptonite. So we know that Superman is 16 for sulfur. Uranium is 92. Phosphorus is 15. Capital E and the small r is erbium. Capital M and the small n is 25. Hates. Superman hates. Capital H is for hydrogen. That's number 1 atomic number. Capital A and the small t is for astatine. That's 85. Capital E and the small s is for Einsteinium. That's 99, Einsteinium. And kryptonite. Capital K and the R is for krypton. That's 36 atomic number. Capital Y is for yttrium. That's 39. Capital P and the small t is for platinum. That's 78. Capital O is for oxygen. That's 8. Capital N and the small I is for nickel, and that's 28 atomic number. Capital T and the small e is for tellurium. That's 52 atomic number. Then we got Luthor, hates Superman. Luthor, capital L and a small u, that's for lutetium, and that's lutetium, and that's 71. Capital T and the H is for thorium, that's 90. Capital E and a small r is for erbium, that's 68. Capital H is hydrogen, that's 1 atomic number. Capital A and the T and the small t is for astatine, and that's 85. Capital E and the small s is for Einsteinium, that's 99. Then we got Superman. Capital S is for sulfur, 16. Uranium, capital U, uranium, 92. Capital P, phosphorus, 15. Capital E and the small r, 68. Capital M and the small n for manganese, that's 25. Luthor, capital L and a small u for lutetium, that's 71. Capital T and the H and the small h for thorium, that's 90 atomic number. Capital E and the small r is for erbium, that's 68. Capital H is for hydrogen, which is number 1. Capital A and the small t is for astatine, that's 85. Capital E and small s is for Einsteinium, that's 99. Capital S is for sulfur, which is 16. Uranium, capital U is for uranium, 92 atomic number. Capital P is for phosphorus, that's 15 atomic number. Capital E and the small r is for capital E and the small r is for 68. Capital M and the small n is 25 for manganese. Okay, capital E and small r is for erbium, which is 68. Capital M and small n is 25 atomic number for manganese. Then we got Luthor again, 91. Capital Lu for lutetium. Capital TH for thorium. Capital ER for erbium. Capital H for hydrogen. Capital A and a small s for arsenic, which is 33 atomic number. Capital K and a small r is for 36 krypton. Capital Y is for yttrium, that's 39. Capital P and a small t is for platinum, which is 78. Capital O is for oxygen, which is 8. Capital N and a small I is for nickel, and that's 28. Capital T and a small e, that's 52 atomic number for tellurium. And there you have it. Superman was born in Krypton. Clark is Superman. Superman hates kryptonite. Luthor hates Superman. Luthor has kryptonite. And there you have it. Sounds cool, huh? And there you go. And you'll find all these chemical symbols in the atomic numbers in the periodic table of elements. Now, if you read this, if you take this serious and read all this over and over again, it repeats itself. And as you repeat it, you'll memorize everything in a matter of time. Keep repeating this whole thing and read it. Keep it, hang on your wall if you have to. Putting on your book. in one of your books. So whatever you do, keep it with you and keep repeating this and keep looking at it. And you'll see that you'll know all these chemical symbols and atomic numbers easily, without any problems. This is how you remember the periodic table of elements. Okay, good luck in memorizing all this. Okay, but all this is in the periodic table of elements, believe it or not. The periodic table of elements is a treasure chest of mystery. You find lots of things written there, lots of special numbers, dates of historical dates are in the atomic numbers. Lots of things are there. You'd be surprised what you'll find. You may even find different social security numbers there. Just letting you know that the periodic table of elements is fun. And once you know how to manipulate it and use it, it gets funner. It becomes more fun. Not funner, it becomes more fun. That's how you say it. Okay? All right. Over and out. Have a good day. Bye-bye.